Now see, question number 1 it is, we have to plot the graph. It is fourth part. They have given the equation 3 is equals to 2x plus y. अब इसमें constant एक तरफ दे दिया and variables are on both the side. So we will keep one variable alone. Okay. Now here it will be easy if we will keep y alone. Y को ही एक तरफ रहने देते हैं. तो for easy method to avoid the confusion, what we will do, पहले अपन LHS और RHS को ही interchange कर लेते हैं. Okay, now I'll keep y alone and I'll take this 2x to that side. So what I will write y is equals to 3 minus 2x. Okay, so that our work becomes easy. Now what we will do again, let, now here we will take the value of x by our own. हम x की वैल्यू 1 से लेंगे, तो let x is equals to 0. हमने x 0 ले लिया. Then what y will become, y minus 2x. So y is equals to 3 minus 2 into 0. So y is equals to 3 minus 0. So y is equals to 3. We got the point. So again we will make table on one side. Immediately you should note down the details on the table. That makes our work easy. Don't wait till last. Okay. So x is 0. Then y is 3. Will reduce it like this. Okay, now here we will assume case 2. We will write let's take x negative. Let x is equals to minus 1. So what will happen then? If x is, then y is equals to 3 minus 2x. Now y is equals to 3 minus 2 and here x, so x means minus 1. So y is equals to 3 minus 2 और minus 1 को multiply करेंगे तो it will become plus 2. So y will become 5. That means when x we are taking minus 1, so y is coming 5. Clear to everyone? Now again let x is equals to, we will take 1 only. Then what will happen? Y is equals to 3 minus 2x. So y is equals to 3 minus 2 into 1. So y is equals to 3 minus 2. So y is equals to 1. Okay, then when we are taking x1, y is also coming 1. Clear? Now we will plot the points. Our table is ready. 3 solutions are there. Now look here on the graph. Again scale, x-axis, y-axis drawn properly, all numbering done. Now we will start plotting. X they are telling is 0, so y will be 3. Okay, now x is 0. X is 0 means we will go on which axis? Y-axis. Y-axis पे जाएंगे, यहाँ पे ये 3 वाला point we will select. इस point पे x is 0 and y is 3. पहले x की वैल्यू फिर y की वैल्यू, point मिल गया. Now they are telling x is minus 1 and y is 5. Minus 1, तो ये x minus 1 में आ गए and y is 5. ये point आ गया अपना. Here we will write x is minus 1 and y is 5. Clear? Now third solution we are having x is also 1 and y is also 1. So it will come here. यहाँ पे x भी 1 है और y भी 1 है and we will write down the point 1 comma 1. X भी 1 है और y भी 1. Now we will plot the line. Join all the points with scale in a form of, it will form automatically, it will form a straight line. Okay, and put arrows on both the side. मैं बोर्ड पे ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, दैट्स वाई आई एम नॉट यूजिंग द स्केल, बट यू विल यूज द स्केल. अभी लाइन पे पॉइंट्स मार्क हो गए. वी विल राइट द इक्वेशन. सो व्हाट इज इक्वेशन? वी विल राइट द मेन इक्वेशन. 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 2x प्लस y. क्लियर? क्वाड्रेंट सारे लिखेंगे. फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट. इट शुड be labeled properly with arrows on the line. Clear?